ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Uba Kermen Shilla ubalong UMLA jong ke United Democratic Party bat Myntri hapo ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ulapan pa babaro ki MLA jong ke UDP ki bala Syajid bandon benta hapo ke kinhun Myntri ke Sorkar Jilla kila Pdiang hun Mynsiem ya ke Jingbatekam thamai jong Myntri Rangbah u Konrad kongkel sangma ke bala jia dang hagini ki khendiat sngi Hagajing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ba kermen shilla ulaong bayamenta baro ki MLA jong ka UDP ki Pdiang hun Mynsiem bat ya ka ka ba Myntri Rangbah ula shim ya ka rai bat ongru ba ka badan kam menta ka long ban ya trailang na ka benta ka roy ka par hapo ka jella baro ka way
From our side we are happy with what we have and then we are trying to do the best we can within our portfolios. So if the government feels they needs to do any changes, that is up to the wisdom of the government, the chief minister. So we are happy with anything. Since even this also is under the inquiry, so I believe that the chief minister will take a decision after the inquiry is done. So then will be the benefits for the people. So as of now, on what ground, how do we, on what reason that we have to take Mala, RHM out of it. So I really don't know what to say on this, but we are waiting for the judicial inquiry. So when this thing done, so I think Chief Minister will take a call. I don't know what is the UDP exactly wants, but I'm talking about my personal life. So the reason, what is exactly, why do we have to step down? So if our party has something to do with it, so I feel that the party should, if they have any demand, such kind of demand, so they should clarify what is the reason of demanding him to step down. So, but from my side, I have nothing against him. I have seen that he did, whichever portfolios he is holding, he did justice for the portfolios he is holding. So yeah, there's an incident happened where it gone wrong or maybe out of hands sometimes. So that I think we have to find out what exactly it is. So we cannot just blame him directly. So for that, I think, yeah, though he is the head of a department, but I think we as human beings should have that patience to wait what exactly is going on. So, and since we have given to the inquiry, so I think we should be happy with that. And I myself, I am happy with that.